The SUV Basic bed support rests on top of your second row seat backs to level out the bed and support the end of the bed frame. One complete set of bed supports consists of 2 wooden hook pieces and a support bar. We include 2 sizes of wooden hooks to accommodate a wide range of vehicles. No hardware is required for assembly. Start by folding down your second row seats. Next, connect the smaller of the 2 sets of wooden hooks onto the support bar like so, slotting the notched end of the wooden hooks into the notched end of the support bar. Now place the assembled hook and bar onto the edge of the folded seat back so that the wooden hooks hang off the end. Play around with the different notch positions to find the configuration that works best for your vehicle. You want the wooden hooks to sit flush with the seat and the support bar to sit upright and level. Once in place, you are ready to pull out the trunkmate bed. Undo the snap and pull out the telescoping bed frame. Position the support bar so that the large cutouts on the top align with the bed frame. Lift the bed frame up and over the support bar and into the notched cutouts of the support bar like so. The idea is for the bed frame to rest perfectly level. Now you can unfold the bedboards and weight the system. It's important to note that the SUV Basic bed supports are designed to support the bed frame at the lowest possible height in your vehicle, thereby maximizing the amount of space you have in bed. To ensure the bed frame pulls out level with the bed support, you must first adjust the height and angle of your trunkmate kit. Do so by raising or lowering its 4 adjustable legs. In general, the smaller of the 2 sets of wooden hooks works best for most vehicles. But if your vehicle's second row seats fold down perfectly flat without a raised bump, you may need to use the larger hooks. Every vehicle is slightly different and not all vehicle trims have been tested, but you should be able to find a setting that works well in your vehicle with a bit of trial and error.